Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Coco Joshua Wakwale and I'm a student at Gulu University. In this video, we are going to be looking majorly at Google Meet. So Google Meet is simply an application that is used by people, mostly professionals, to hold virtual meetings. You could be in a situation whereby you're so caught up and maybe you're part of a company executive and you guys want to have a meeting, but you guys are so caught up that you can't actually link up and have a physical meeting. So this application is really important in that in that situation, you simply just go online, start up a Google meeting, and yeah, you guys meet and everything is discussed right there. To me, it's really interesting. I really love it because it makes things much more convenient. And my aim here today is to take you guys through that Google Meet. So to go to Google Meet, first of all, you need to open your browser. For example, I use Chrome. I've opened it as you see. And then you'll go to this top right corner. I'm having these 9 dots, so I click there. So among the options brought here, I have got the option of Google Meet. There you go. So it loads and it opens beautifully like that. Now when you come here, there are 2 options. One, you can either get a code or a link, because when somebody creates a meeting, they make a code, and if you can access that code, you simply come and enter your code here and join an ongoing meeting somewhere. That is very good and very crucial. Just come, put the link in here and join an ongoing meeting. But in case you're the chairperson of that meeting that you want to hold, it's also simple. You simply come on this other space here, new meeting, you click on that. And now this one as well has quite a number of options. One, you can make a meeting for later. 2, you can make an instant meeting, or maybe you can schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. In other words, you organize for a meeting for a specific date in the future, a specific time and a specific maybe whatever. So just come and click right there and it loads as beautifully as you see there like that. Google Calendar, yes, here you go. These are some instructions, you like got it, that's okay. Let me move this a little there, that's okay. Now I can come here and I schedule for my meeting any given time of the day that I want. Maybe I want it from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. or I can change this maybe to maybe 3:30 p.m. to maybe 4:30 p.m. Any that you want. Then you can change the date, September 2025. Maybe you can say I want it to be on 30th. That's still okay. Time zone, you can do the time zone that you want. That's also there, but you can leave this because in most cases we use the time zone that you're in actually. So there are very many things you can do. You can choose to do your meeting the whole day. Yeah, there are a lot of options right here, and it's just a matter of playing around with it software. So that's exactly how you can schedule for a meeting. You can add the title of your meeting. Maybe the meeting is going to be about maybe research learning, maybe with AI, something like that, and that is also very nice. It's a title for our meeting. So now if I do this, I simply have to save and I will have scheduled a meeting for later. I will be knowing that maybe on Friday at 7 to 8 I'm having a specific meeting, and yeah, that will be it. So we'll leave that aside. Let's just leave because I didn't actually intend to schedule a meeting, but I wanted to show you guys how it's done. So now you can as well come here and start an instant meeting. Just come, or you can create a meeting for later. When you tap on that, in meeting, you can say create a meeting for later. Now there, they bring for you a link. Now this link, you tap it and share it with the people that you want to be a part of that meeting. You share you're doing what you're creating for later. So if I copy this link and I share with different people, then they can use it to join the meeting that I intend to hold for later. And now this exactly is the link that whoever will be having it will come and put in this space here to join my meeting when the time has come. Very interesting, right? I can also come here and start a meeting instantly, start an instant meeting, something like that. So I'm joining, you can see it loading, joining slowly. There you go. Yeah, so it has joined. Here I am, the meeting is now going on. What I can do now is, there are very many things I can do. I can put on my camera, I can just talk without a camera. Everything is possible. You can, let me remove this. There are very many things. Now, for example, here someone can raise a hand, or I can raise a hand during the meeting. You can come here and mute. There are very many things that you can do. There are many other options here. You can put to be in full screen. You can put one picture in picture. Very interesting things right here. Let me remove this. I don't know if I can change this. So, come back to your meeting. And yeah, Google Meeting is really something so interesting, and I urge you guys to get interested in it and actually learn much more to do with it. There you go. So I can add others into this meeting. What I can simply do to add others is I just share with them this link. I can copy this link. After copying it, I share with whoever I want to share it with on the different social media platforms. You can use Gmail, Facebook, whatever. Just simply share it with others and they can be able to join your meeting. That is it. What else? If I add others, they can react to my meeting in very many different ways. Somebody can come and maybe send a message in this meeting. You can actually see how many people are actually attending your meeting, but for my case it's just me, because the aim of this is to show you guys how this is done, so I don't have people who have subscribed to this meeting. Someone can send an emoji, but now since I'm they just come and send an emoji right there like that, and there it appears. Someone can share, you can share the screen, very interesting as well. Very many things that you can do, and yeah, that is it. I think basically that's it about Google Meet. If there's anything that maybe I've left out, reach out to me in the comments and make me know what I can do for you next time. There's something you want to really learn about Google Meet that I've not talked about here, tap me in the comments. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, because you're going to miss a lot in case you don't. We are going into many other interesting things that you need to know. And if you don't subscribe, then you'll be missing out. Like this video, turn on the notification button, and let's grow together in ICT. God bless you. Stay good, stay well. Thank you so much.